Will now be recorded.
One second. Collaboratory. And one thing, guys, I shared all the files. Can you check it out? Everybody received it? If anybody not received, please let me know. I shared all the file, Jupyter file I shared. The content, whatever we are discussed, the total programs, total Jupyter notebook I shared. So what you can do is just launch, save this Jupyter notebook in your Google Drive and open the collaboratory, it will come. Okay. It is okay. Please respond me, guys.
Yeah, sir.
I shared collaboratory file.
Yeah, I received, sir. Yes.
Okay. Well, what you can do is you just download it and keep in the Google Drive. Okay. And open the collaboratory. Collaboratory automatically Google Drive access kada. So then automatically you can able to see the code, source code, whatever we discussed so far. Just give me one second.
Sir, I'm not receiving the files.
You're not received.
Yeah.
Check email, check spam.
Sir, I already checked it out. I'm not received.
Okay. Send me email. One more time I will share. I think
I
Manas,
received Octa to web, Octa second Python functions, and Octa Marn.
yeah, 4 folders. Four
Yes, sir.
folders I shared. 4 folders I shared. This is your email, Ramya. I already shared. Just check it out. Okay. If anybody not received, please share your email address. We'll start in 1 minute.
It is Manasa who told us that she didn't receive it. It's Yamsha. It is not there, sir.
Sir, I just not received, sir. I have mailed them. I sent you.
Share here. If anybody not
Oh,
received. Okay, let me start the session. Okay, after this, let me go with inheritance. Inheritance. Okay. First of all, for this inheritance, I want to open the paint. There are multiple kind of inheritances. The first kind of inheritance is, for example, this is the class. This is the class. From this class, another class is inheriting. From this class, another class is inheriting. Okay, let me tell you. This is A. From A, B is inheriting. From A, B is inheriting. Class A, class B. Now, A is the parent, B is the child. A is the parent, B is the child. Getting my point? A is the parent, B is the child. Okay, let me tell you. This is parent. This is child. But both are classes. Both are classes. From that class, A class is the parent, B class is the child. This is clear now? This inheritance is called single inheritance. Single inheritance. This inheritance is called single inheritance. Next, A is the parent. A is the parent. From A, two classes are going to be inheriting. From A, two classes are going to be inheriting. This kind of inheritance is called multiple inheritance. This is single inheritance or simple inheritance. Single inheritance or simple inheritance. Now, this is called this here. I want to give B and I want to give C. What is the kind of inheritance? This one. Multiple inheritance. Multiple. Sorry. Multiple inheritance. Next. There is a class called A. There is a class called A. From this class, B is inheriting. From this class, B is inheriting. From this class, C is inheriting. From this class, C is inheriting. What is the kind of inheritance this is?
Nested inheritance.
No. Multi-level.
Multi-level.
Exactly. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Tense. Okay, fine. This is fine. There is a class called A. There is a class called A. There is a class called B. There is a class called A. There is a class called B. Okay, let me write properly. This is a class called A. This is a class called B. From this, one class is inheriting. From these two, one class is inheriting. That is C. That is C. Class A, class B, class A, class B, parents of the C. Class A, class B, parents of the C. From C, two more classes inheriting. From C, two more classes inheriting. What is the kind of inheritance? Anybody? What is the kind of this inheritance? Let me know. Let me know. What is the kind of inheritance this is? Parent to child, single inheritance. One parent to two childs, multiple inheritance. One parent to child, child to grandchild. Parent to child, child to grandchild. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Next, two parents, one child. From that child, two more childs are inheriting. What is the kind of inheritance, anyone? What is the kind of inheritance? This is actually hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. Getting my point, guys? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Any questions? Sir, everything is class. Everything is class. This is class, this is class, this is class, this is class. All are classes only. Okay, here this is parent. Here this is parent. These two are childs. And here this is child. Now this is parent. This is parent. This is child. Now this is what? This is what? Parent, child. This is what? Grandchild. Grandchild. Am I clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
And here this is parent. This is parent, and this is also parent. Both are parents only. Both are parents only. This is child, acting like child, and again acting like a parent. And these are childs finally. Okay, this is the kind of inheritances. The kind of inheritances. Let me save the picture for you. Give me 1 second.
Then in the multi-level also that can be set parent only, sir. In the multi-level also child is a parent only, no?
Ah, this is child. Again, it is
Yeah,
acting like a parent.
parent, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That is what.
Okay.
Remember, this is just theory. Okay, programmatically we'll go now. How Python working with inheritances. Okay, let me write down a class. Class called parent. Remember, always class should be having the capital letter. Now class is parent. Okay, I'm not going to be writing anything inside like a constructors kind of thing. I want to just explain how this is working like. Okay, this is going to be having something like a def display, just def display. Okay, it's a method now which is going to be having the self keyword. Okay, for this method, only one method I'm writing. I'm not writing constructor. I'm not writing any attributes and all. Just how inheritance is going to be working. I want to tell you people. Next print. Okay, I am parent, or this is parent class. This is parent class. Right? Right? Next, parent class. Okay, fine. I want to write the child class. Okay, again this is class. This is class, but this time the name of the class is child. The name of the class is child, and which is inheriting from? Which is inheriting from? Parent. Try to understand, guys. Which is inheriting from parent? And def some method. You can write like a show self, yeah, kind of thing. Show self kind of method you can write. Okay, enter. Write down whatever you want to print. This is the child class. This is the child class. Right. Now, two classes are ready. Execute it. Program executed. Program executed. Now, any question on this? Any question on this particular code? Class called parent. And I written a method here. Now I created a class called child. But inside the child class, whenever I'm creating the child class, inside the parenthesis, I need to use the parenthesis here. Why parenthesis needed here? To grant the parent. To grant the parent. Now, inside the parent, one method called display. Inside the child, one method called show. Am I clear, everyone? Mansa, Rohit, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, and Tanuja. Now I want to create objects. Now I want to create object. Okay, first object I'm creating. Object 1 I'm creating. Object 1 for parent. Object 1 for parent. I'm creating objects now. Object 1, object 2, object 3. Okay, object 1 is equal to this object I'm creating from child basically. This object I'm creating from child. Okay, my object is ready. Now for this object, how many methods I can able to call? Object 1 I created for child. For this object 1, how many methods I can able to call? Object 1 can able to access. Object 1 can able to access display. Object 1 can able to access display method. Display method is there na? And object 1 can able to access show method also. How? Sir, object 1 created from child, sir, but child have only one method called def show something. And object 1 now I created. For object 1 I create object 1 have display and show. Can I execute it? This can able to access. Something is coming from the parent class, something is coming from the child class. Something is coming from the parent class, something is coming from the child class. Okay. One more example I can write now. One more example I can write now. What example? Class called. What class can I go for? Okay, Airtel, Geo. Class called Geo. Class called Geo. Sorry, class called Geo. For this Geo, I return some method. Okay, init is not required basically. Okay, if you want to, you can use it. That is not an issue. Let me write down. Def one more method. Geo main branch. Main branch. Main branch. This is the method basically. Main branch.
That is like function, no, sir?
This is function.
Yeah, main
This is
branch
function. Main branch is a function. Okay. Name is self.name. Okay, fine. That is okay. Now I want to create a child class. I want to create a child class. Geo store branch. Okay, branch. AI branch. Def, you can write something like child branch. Child branch. It's a function. Print Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Hmm. Now what I can do, or can I go like this again? Main branch name is okay, no problem. Now you can create a uh, you can create an object like store. You can create object like store. That store is equal to branch. Okay, branch Mohansh and age 25. That is the main branch. And again store have main branch method. And again store have and again store have what is this? What is the method I written? Child branch. Child branch. Okay. Main branch name uh, something like can I say Delhi? Delhi. Mumbai kada? Ambani, Mumbai. Hmm. Okay. Now execute. Name error. What is the branch? Branch is
Parenthesis is
not
not
defined.
closed, sir.
Branch is not defined. This is
Main
a not.
branch, parenthesis not closed. Print.
Wait.
So spelling mistake.
Name branch is not defined.
Spelling mistakes are in the
Main branch,
calling the
huh?
objects.
Calling the object.
Child branch.
Child branch spelling mistake. Okay. Calling the method. Name error again.
So
Name
print
branch is not
in the
defined. Okay.
print column, print
What's that?
line, the parenthesis is missing. In the
Print line.
main branch, second.
Okay. Okay. Right. Execute this. Okay. I got it. Execute it. Yeah, I got it. Name is Mumbai and age is 25 and something is child branch takes 0 positional arguments. Child branch take a 0 positional arguments. I don't have any arguments, no issues. Yeah, this is the output actually I need. But if you want, you can pass some arguments for the child branch. Huh? Can I pass some argument here?
Pass.
Maybe self. Yeah, self needed. Yeah. No issue, no error. Name is Mumbai. Age is 25. And this is the okay. This is the child branch. Can I say child branch? Again execute. Again execute. Name is Mumbai. Age is 25. Child is Hyderabad. Program should be neat. Understand inheritance, sir? Understand inheritance?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we can go with the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Okay. Class called grandfather. Class called grandfather directly. And grandfather have something like def def what I can write like job job. Okay. Self enter print farmer, for example, farmer. Okay, now write one more class father, coming from no, father I cannot say. Yeah, this is correct only na. Yeah, engineer. Okay, class called child coming from father, and enter def job doctor. Oh my god, getting my point? How this is coming? Getting my point? How this is coming? From grandfather,
So,
father is
so
mm,
can you explain that?
same like a previous program. Same like a previous program. Just see the previous program. Parent, child. For the child, parent is the superior. Parent is the superior. Am I clear? For the child, parent is the superior. Come
Yes,
down. Come down. Here, this child, parent is the superior. Who is the superior for this? Grandfather. Grandfather. For the child, who is the superior? For the child, who is the superior? Father.
father.
Uh, there one method I have written called farmer. There one more method I written called engineer. And here I written one method called doctor. Now I create a object for child. Now I create an object for child. Okay, there is something like obj. Obj is equal to child. Obj child. Okay, I create an object for the child. Okay, for this object, how many methods I can able to call? Object dot. How many methods I can able to call for this?
Three
How
methods.
many methods I can call? One is the
Three. Father
everywhere
method,
job that
child
job
method,
one. Let me say this is the job one, this is the job two, this is the job three. Okay na?
three methods.
Three different methods are there. I can able to access job one. I can able to access job two. I can able to access job three also. Sorry, job three. Can you see and observe? I created object for the child basically, but this child have three jobs. Job one, job two, job three. Everybody in the child home na? Farmer, engineer, doctor. Three people are available in the house. Three people available in the house. Am I clear, sir? Am I clear this one? Anybody having questions on this? This code, just observe. Just observe this code.
If we create the object as grandfather, then also we can call, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If we create the
If you
object as grandfather,
one second, one
then
second. I will create one more object. I will create one more object for grandfather. Object one is equal to grandfather. Okay. I can able to call job one. Grandfather no. Father, what do you want? Let me create for
Grandfather.
father. First I will create for father.
Okay, sir.
First I create for father. Father can have two jobs. Object one dot job one. Okay, he can able to eat from only father. Okay, next object one again having job two. Two methods only can able to access here. Two methods only can able to access here. Farmer and engineer. If you create object for
Word will
grandfather,
not come. No? Just
if you create object for grandfather, only one method, job one only.
let's try what is the error we will see, sir, once.
Hmm.
For the father object itself, let's try object one dot job three. We'll see what is the error we are getting there.
For father, okay.
Yeah,
You want
father.
to?
What
If
is
you
the
want,
error
I will write.
basically?
If you
I
want, I will.
understood. Yeah.
Okay. Let me write down. Father object has no attribute like job three.
Okay.
Okay. This is one more inheritance. Let me go with the one more inheritance. One more kind of inheritance. This what is the inheritance I told? First inheritance is over. This one is multiple inheritance or multi-level. This one.
Multi-level.
So this one is multi-level. Multi-level. Okay. Next I will write multiple. Next I write a multiple. This is multi-level. Sorry. Next we'll go for multiple. Multiple means what? One father, two childs, huh? Am I correct? Okay. Let me write a class called father. Okay. Let me write down a method def. This AI is super appa. Okay. Next I will write one more class. Uh, child one. Child one. Child one from father. Child one from father. Engineer. This is def job. Okay. Next, I will create one more child for this. Class child 2. Child 2 also from father.
Father.
Exactly. And def job 1 I already written. Job 2 this one. Okay. Doctor. Okay. He's the engineer. One person is engineer. One person is doctor, sir. Now, if you create object for child 1 and child 2, both are able to access farmer or not? Okay, let me tell you. Create object for object one for create object one for dot child one. Okay, create object for child one, and this object one can able to access how many methods, sir? This object one can able to access how many methods?
One.
Okay. Sorry. Job one, job two, job three. Now this object one can able to access how many methods? Child one.
Two methods.
Child one, two methods. What are that?
Job
Job
one,
one
job two.
can able to access job one, and this object one can able to access job two also. Right. Execute it. Farmer engineer. For the first child, 2 jobs. For the second child,
2 jobs.
2 jobs, obviously. Child 2, 2 jobs. No
Object
issues.
2. Object 2
Oh,
you have
sorry.
tried.
Okay, okay.
Already.
Object, same object I'm writing. First of all, people are understanding or not? Inheritance. Object 2, job 2. Oh my God, what is issue? Child 2 has no attribute called object 2. Child 2 can able to access only job 1,
Job 3.
job 3.
Job 3.
Yeah, don't
Job
forget.
1, job 2.
Don't forget. Don't forget. Child 1 can able to access job 1, job 2. Child 2 can able to access job 1, job 3. Why? Because child 2 have third job. Remember, this is the one more inheritance. Now, what is the final inheritance from the paint? This one done, this one done, this one done. Now this one. Now this one. Can I go hybrid? Can I go hybrid? Second, people are understanding or not? I don't know. Manasa,
Yes, sir. We can proceed with that.
getting understand? Rohit and Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Tanuja. It's simple, very simple, straightforward.
So can you repeat the multi-level ones?
Multi-level. Multi-level means this one, na?
Yes.
Sir, grandfather, father, father have grandfather superior, and child have superior only father. Child superior father only, na? So for your understanding purpose, I'm writing the general words, sir. For your understanding purpose, I am writing general words like grandfather, father kind of things. Can I go with the last one? Now I go with one more kind of inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Very very important. Class A. Let's go with A and B. Huh? Don't confuse. Huh? That is better. For this, that is better. This is having first method 1. This is having method 1 self, which is having print I am from A. I am from A. Next, class B. In this way, you can able to easily understand. Okay, A, B, C, D. Already in the diagram also the same thing, na? And class C, which is from A and B. Very good, very good. Def method 3. This is helping me a lot. I am from C. Very good, sir. Now, hybrid means what? Hybrid means what? From C, I want to prepare one child or two childs. Class D. Class D. Method 4. Okay, okay, accept. I am from D. And sorry, class E. What is the diagram? A, B, C, C to D, C to E, C to E. Okay, E. And class D, who is the superior of class D? Who is the superior of class D? C.
C.
Who is the superior of class E?
C.
C only. Exactly. Now I go with one more method. Def method 5. Preparing objects and calling objects, very, very important now. Okay, def. Everything is prepared. Program is prepared. How you want to prepare your objects? Okay, now I will prepare for last one, E. I'll prepare object for last one, E. Okay. Object one D. Okay, this is giving everything. Object one is coming from E. Yeah, this one, E. Then how many methods I can able to call for this? Object one dot method one. What is the function name? Method one. First of all, for E, method 5 is there. Okay, let me write the method 5. Method 5 can able to access kada? Method 5 can able to access. Then
Yes.
every method. Method 5 can able to access. Method 3 can able to access. Method 4 can able to access. But what about method 1 and method 2? Method 1 is also accessing. Method 5, method 4, method 3. Let me write down. Here some trick is there. Method 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My God, E is not defined. First of all, we need to execute this. Huh? I am from E. E is not defined. What E is not defined. I am from E. This is okay. Then superior. Who is the superior for this? C. Method 3 also can able to call. Object 1 dot method 3 also can able to call. First of all, we go for the parent. Then we'll go for the only parent. Here some trick is there, sir. This is not grandchild
Think
basically.
method 5 and method 3.
Method 5 and method 3. Only method 5 and method 3 can able to access. Method 3 and method 5. Okay. Method 3, okay. Method 3, where method 3 is available? Okay, parent. That is okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
From parent, this method is calling. Method 5 is the self method for E. And method 3 is method 3 is self method for parent.
Hmm.
Now, can I try to access method 1, method 2 for this? Can I try to access method 1, method 2 for this? Object 1 dot method 1. Access it. Accessing. I am from A. Method 2. Method 2. Okay. So E have powers. What are the powers for the E now? What are the powers for the E now? E have some powers from the C, and E have some powers from the A and B also. The same time D have powers from C, and D have powers from the A and B also. Am I clear? Same like I will prepare object for D also. Object for D. Now I will write an object for D. Very simple. Object for D. object 2, object 2, object 2. Same methods, na? Can I able to access same methods, na? Why? Because these two are siblings. E and D are siblings only, na? These two can able to access same methods. Attribute error. Where the attribute error? Object 2. D object have no. Sorry.
Method 5, sir. Method 5.
Method. I need
Object
to
2
change
dot
method.
method 5 you said. 4.
I need to say 4. Okay. These two have same powers, na? D and E both are having same powers, na? So can you see for E have some powers? E have some extra powers. At the same time, D also having extra powers. Am I right or wrong? This is called hybrid inheritance. This is called hybrid inheritance. Am I clear, everyone? Still any people not understanding the things? You tell me, I will explain. Still any people have some questions and queries? First of all, you understand this diagram. I written this diagram only for you people. If you understand this diagram, then go for the code. Remember the code, how to call parent, to the child, and how to call the parent methods to the child. That you need to understand. If method is calling, attributes also call, na? Remember. If method is calling, attributes also can call, na? Little bit lengthy. Everybody got understand? Inheritance. Don't confuse. Just follow this. Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance only parent-child relation. Multiple parent to sibling relation. This is grandfather, father, and child relation. This is two parent, one child, and this child have two childs. Am I clear, everyone? Okay. Mansa, Siddharth,
సార్
Shreya, Tamal, Tanuja. Everybody got understand inheritance? Still have questions?
సార్ దీన్ని పైథాన్ ఐడియాలో చేయొచ్చా సార్ మామూలుగా?
Wherever you want, you can write.
అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ విడిగా రాయాలా సార్? అంటే మొత్తం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా కలిపి రాయాలా అప్పుడు?
I don't understand what you are saying. This is Python. Now let me write Python code here. Let me write Python code here. Okay, I will create new file. Save it as Python file. Huh? This is Python editor. Okay, hello inheritance .py. Start write code. That's it. Okay, class A. Def method 1. Let me write method 1. Print I am from method 1. This is normal editor. Okay, can I create object for this? Obj equal to obj dot method 1 over. What is the output, guys?
Sir, method when function is missing.
Oh, sorry. I missed it. Okay. I am from method 1. Sir, wherever you want, you can write. Here simple or Jupyter simple? Where you want. Name is equal to Mohansh. Okay. If name Mohansh, print, okay, print matched. Sorry, print matched. But here that much intelligence is not there. Remember, here intelligence not come, sir. Else, go back. Not matched. What is output? You guess. What is output? You guess. Not matched. This is condition. We already discussed about conditions previously. We already discussed conditions, na? For I in range of 10. Print I. Okay. If I percentile 2 equal to 0, print I. Only even numbers. Even numbers printing. 0 to 10 range even numbers printing. This program. Only the even numbers. Okay, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, Siddhartha, wherever you want, you can write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, sir. See you.